Sixth grade Excel, lesson 144, subtracting positive and negative integers. This is a review lesson from yesterday, so hopefully you got it yesterday. If not, you get another chance today. We're not going to use the colored squares, we're going to use the cats and dogs. We've got on number 1, I'm going to go ahead and write that one down here so we got a little more room to work it. And let's see if we can remember how to do this from yesterday. Alright, the first step, I'm going to change the steps up a little bit here. First, we're going to start off with circling the numbers. So circle it with any sign before it. Second step, I'm going to have you combine any two subtraction symbols that are right next to each other and make those into a positive. So this one and this one right next to each other becomes a positive. Step 3, now we're going to scribble out any positive signs. And you see a positive sign there, we're going to get rid of it. Go ahead and write this on your paper, kind of keep up with me if you can. And then step 4 is we're going to do dogs versus cats. Hopefully this will be a little bit more clear to you than it was yesterday. And we got 7 cats and we have 3 dogs because there's no symbol in here. Anytime there's no symbol, that means it's dogs. And these 3 cats fight these 3 dogs, so we're left with 4 cats or -4. And you can see that's the same thing that they got there. Alright, I'm going to have you try number 2. I know it's already done up here for you, and you can already see the answer, so that'll kind of help you to keep you on track. But I want you to write right here, I want you to show how to do it using dogs and cats. We're going to expect to see that on your paper tomorrow when we check homework. So everybody's pause the video, try the dogs and cats method for this problem right here. Go ahead and rewrite it the way I just did on this last one. Turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so you should have written -6 minus +4 right here. And first we circle the number with anything before it. We combine 2 negative signs. Now I can't combine the negative sign with this negative sign. They're in different circles. Then we do scribbling, and that's step 3 of any positive sign. Now we've got 6 with a negative. We got 4 with a negative. That means we have 6 cats. And we have 4 cats. And altogether, what do we have? We just have 10 cats, -10. That should be written on your paper looking almost exactly like that. Hopefully a little bit neater than what mine looks like. All right, here's the next problem to try. You can probably just do it right here on the problem. Pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, so the first thing you should have done is circled with any symbol before it. Don't forget to get that minus symbol right in there. -3 minus +4. Now we're going to combine any signs together that we possibly can with 2 negatives right next to each other in a circle. I don't see any situation where I'm circling 2 negatives together. So the next step is we're going to scribble out any positive signs. Get rid of that sign there. Now we have 3 negatives. We have 4 negatives, which means 3 cats, 4 cats. Altogether, we have 7 cats. So easy. All right, pause the video. Try number 4. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. Okay, once again, circle with any numbers that come before it. Second step, combine any negatives with negatives in the same circle. We don't have that situation in this problem. So we're going to scribble out any positive signs. Now we have no sign between the 5, which means that's 5 dogs. We have a negative sign before the 4, which means we have 4 cats. And that means that 4 cats are going to fight off 4 dogs, and we're left with 1 dog. If you got +1, you got the right answer. Let's go on to this next one. Pause the video, do number 5, then turn it back on to see the solution. Okay, first step, circle, circle. Second step, combine any negative signs together. Here I have a negative with a negative. Those can be combined together to make a positive sign, and I scribble it out, which means I have nothing left there because scribbling the positive signs is the next step. And now I'm going to have a fight between cats and dogs, maybe. I got 4 cats here, and I have 8 dogs because there's no sign there before it. 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 cats fight these 4 dogs. I'm left with 4 dogs. The answer is +4. Did you get that one right? I sure hope so. That's your last chance to learn it, but hopefully you'll get it. And if you need more help, talk to me at school, and I'll be glad to do some reteaching with you.